First of all, the short-term challenge right now is really a mixture to cope with an industry which is both in oversupply, but at the same time shortages, because that's a reality we're facing today. I mean, each of those problems historically was very challenging, as you mentioned, but today is combined now because of the challenge we're facing in actually in the global scene on the manufacturing of the semiconductor. It's bringing us into a situation where you don't have uniform dynamics. I mean, semiconductor is a generic word, but they are very much segmented and fragmented. And when we are talking about memory or logic, you don't have the same dynamics. That's the first challenge for suppliers like us, in short term actually to deal with. Mid-term actually also is all the and also mid-long term are the geopolitical situation. The sovereignty, of course, imposing a lot of regulation, a lot of constraint in terms of control export, not only materials but also people and competences. So that will have an impact. And these players like us, which are very much exposed to European ecosystem, has to cope with those global trends and be part of the decision making. We have to manage for the coming years to buffer and to hedge that risk and de-risk our supply chain. So yeah, and the third, as I said, talent management and to attract people. I mean, this is the workforce is really, and the competence is really a bottleneck to ramp up.